Hello sir, this is our application Spicy Mart driver. We need background location permission because our app is tracking live tracking feature. So I open the app and now I will enter the ID and password to login. I have already shared you all the ID and password to login. Kindly check it. And this is our app. In order to provide you with the best possible services, we need to access your location data. This will allow us to efficiently connect you with the nearby riders, help you to navigate to their pickup locations and provide accurate arrival time estimates. To grant us permissions to access your location, please tap allow when prompted. If you prefer not to share your location, you can tap deny and continue to use the app without this feature. However, this may impact your ability to receive trip requests and complete trips efficiently. So this is our driver app and we need to have location background permission so driver can easily live track users location on taxi. This is a taxi and food delivery application and driver need to have user live location. If I click on next, it will ask the driver location and it will say the same dialogue again. If I click on this, we need to run our app in the background even when you are not using it. This will allow us to offer personalized notification, updates and other features that require real-time data. Let always run in background. Allowing Spicy Mart driver to always run in background may reduce battery life. So we are allowing Spicy Mart driver to display over other app in order to receive order when you are using the apps. So if I do not allow it, okay, let me again show you. If I don't allow it, what will happen? So what I do not allow it this time. So I open the app, I choose the language English and this time I don't allow the location background permission. So what will happen? I click on skip. The app is open but the application will not take any online order. You can see to Bake Me Online, this app collect location data to enable search system for assignable order within your location and also allow customer to track your location. If I click on cancel, I cannot accept new order and that is why we need the location background permission in this application. So kindly allow our application to have location background permission. If you have any other queries, you can mail us. And that is why we need the location background permission. Our application is the Spicy Mart driver, which is a driver application to track the locations of customer and deliver the order. In order to provide you the best possible service, we need to access your location data. This will allow us to efficiently connect you with the nearby riders and help you to navigate to their pickup location and provide accurate arrival time estimate. To grant us permission to access your location, please tap allow when prompted. If you prefer not to share your location, you can tap deny, but the app will not work properly in that case. So yeah, that's why we need the location background permission. Kindly allow our application so we can use it properly. If you have any other inquiry, you can mail us. Thank you.